up? It's me, Jenny B, and today I have a package of stuff I bought off of Makartt. So let's open this up. It is upside down, but you know, that's how it goes. Gonna find my scissors because I was not prepared. So I ramble around my desk. So tiny, woo, there they go. Okay, let's open this up and see what we got. Ooh, here we go, the bottom of the box. Paper. Ooh, look at that. Fun. Okay, so let's empty this out. There we go. Okay, let me reorganize and I'll start back up. Okay, here we are. I am back. And what does that say? Awesome Color by Makartt. Gel nail polish set. So let's see. So all-nighter. 6 gel polish set. So let's open this up. Is it going to be easy to open? I like that. Simply flaunt it. That's cute. So since I have no nails, the scissors will come in handy. Cute. So get rid of the box. Comes with a little booklet, instructions, removal, pro tips. You know, all the normals. So nice. Look at that. I'm going to have to test the colors out, so I'm going to put that aside. That is pretty. And I've got a Makartt reinforced gel polish. Do not need to cure with UV nail lamp. Avoid direct sunlight. Oh, you. Yeah, I'm just reading what I want to read, right? Do need to cure with UV LED nail lamp. So yes, haha, read it wrong first time. It is a gel polish. It needs the lamp. So we'll open this bad boy up. Reinforced gel polish. So I figure once I'm not having a reaction to things, figured that would be good underneath my gel polish. Not that I can do that now, but you know. A nail extension gel, Cosmo Black. I'm just going to open all these up. Ooh, Cosmo Black. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, look at that. Glittery goodness. Oh, that is cool. Look at that. Nice. Without getting it on me, that looks cool. And then these press-on nails. The black has a glitter to it. Those are pretty. So it's under the all-nighter theme. You know, nice, nice. And then I got Beach Babe all-in-one gel polish starter kit. So let's see what's in there. Oh, I don't need my scissors for this one. Oh, cute. So it has little whole kit. So little removal pads. So that's cute. One looks like one for each finger. Very cute. I'll have to keep this kit all together. It comes with a nice little file. Isn't that cute? Nice thick one. A charging cord, or you know, a power cord, and a little single lamp. That is cute. So simple. Button on top. You know, easy to use. That'll be nice. And some colors. So we got come out on top, which is a top coat. Basic Babe, which is a bottom coat, base coat. Then we have Stunner. Oh, nice gray. And Resort, which I'm assuming is a yellow, right? Right. Oh, that's a nice yellow. So definitely beachy colors. That kit's cute. Look at that. I like that. So that will stay all in one. Let me set up for playing with these colors, and I will be back. The press-on nails are all prepped. I put the Gel X Prep acid-free tip primer on there, so I don't have to etch. It is chemically etched, so here they are. I am going to play around with some of these. So let's take them all out. Definitely going to use those glittery, shimmery ones. Let's see what we've got. Okay, so we'll just open up all these bottles first. That is pretty. Okay, you see all my pink glove. See, I'm protected. These are the nitrile, whatever. They're not latex gloves, so you know. Here's Cosmopolitan. That one was Diva. This is Cosmopolitan. Ooh, purple sparkly. Got Glamour, which is just a gray. Blue Teeny, a pretty blue. Oh, that is gorgeous. Shimmery blue, and this is Disco. And Go-Go is, oh, nice. Right. So what do I want? I think I'm going to do gray. So I'm going to do the Glamour with Disco over it. And then I am going to do, feeling the Cosmopolitan. I may change my mind and do Diva. Let's see what we go. So I'm going to start off by painting all these. Everything but the ring finger. These two fingers are going to be just the sparkle. Or do I want all gray and just the blue over a couple? I think I'm going to do all gray and that blue over some of them. Let's do that. So I'm going to do 2 coats of this. Oh, that goes on nicely. Look at that. So I'm going to do 2 coats of this, cure it for 60 seconds, and we'll be back. That is beautiful. Here we go. 2 coats of Glamour. Here it is. From Makartt, because I almost spilled my tea. Well, you know. So let's just add some fun with the Disco. This color looks beautiful. So let's see what I want to do. We'll start with this one and go from there. I want to see what it looks like. Oh, that is beautiful. Definitely Disco is the right word for it. Oh, look at that. Make sure everything's covered. Oop, is I'm off camera. So let's do 2 fingers with the solid color. That is beautiful. So this should be the ring finger and the middle finger that are with Disco. Gloves were a good idea because I don't want to irritate my skin anymore than it is. Okay, so let's see what I can do for these. A little wave of glitter. There we go. Not that you can see much of that. So let's try it on this one. There we go. So I'm just going to do that to the others. Then I think I'm going to line it with that other blue. So do one more, just taking it and swerving it and then making sure everything is covered. There we go. Do the other side off camera and I'll be right back. Here they are. I have a Beatles art brush. So here's the tip. So I'm just going to use that and I'm going to see how blue teeny looks. So we'll test out the pinky there. So I'm just going to take this and wipe it on. Oh! As I make a mess, you know, that's just how it goes. But I have a paper towel. Try to get the rest up later. Okay. So I'm going to take this. And just put it on the side. Like that. There we go. Yeah, that does what I want. Make sure it's not too lumpy. There we go. Perfect. Grab another one. Just going to outline it. Oh, I need more. That did not do anything. There we go. I'm going to do that to the rest. I'll show you when I'm done. Here's the finished product. They turned out very cute, and I top coated them with the Makartt top coat. So yeah, might as well just finish it off with Makartt. So there they are. Some fun little press-ons. Thank you for joining me for my unboxing and trying a few of the polishes. Don't forget to like this video, give me a nice thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, I appreciate it. And hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos on Tuesdays and Saturdays. Thank you so much for joining me. I will see you next time. Toodaloo.